Customize Windows Program Files installation directory using Settings App Guide. Modifying the default installation directory for program files in Windows requires undertaking more advanced procedures. Here's a general guide using the Settings app. Open Settings, press Win+I and select System. Select Storage, click on Storage from the left sidebar. Change default save locations. Under More Storage Settings, click on Change where new content is saved. Choose New Drive. Select the new drive from the drop-down menus for different file types, example, apps, documents, music, etc.
However, keep in mind that this process impacts only future installations, not previously installed programs.